Hey there everyone, I just returned from my mailbox with fabric mail, and you know how exciting that is. But this just isn't any old fabric mail. This is my first order from StoneMountain Daughter Fabrics, and I'm super excited about it. They're all wovens, no knits, things I've not ordered before from a company I've not ordered from before. I'm super excited. So my question is, would you like to go to my sewing room with me and unbox it? All right. Let's go. I've got the box from StoneMountain Daughter Fabrics. I am super excited. It's super fun to try out a new fabric company. I'm rarely disappointed, and so I'm expecting this to be super awesome as well. So let's open it. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay, we've got a little packing slip. One of the things I love is presentation. Presentation means so much. I love it when things are pretty. Look at this adorable sticker. Oh, it's so cute. So I'm gonna open that up. See what we've got here. So it's just a thank you for your order. It has all their information, their address, phone number, Instagram. They want to see what you make, so hashtag StoneMountain Fabric. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, let's see what we've got. Let me read through for you what I got. I got something, well, we'll just pull them out one at a time. Okay. So this is the first thing I got. I got the last bit that they had on their website. I wanted a whole lot more, whoopsies. I wanted a whole lot more because it's so gorgeous. Here's what we've got here. I don't know what I'm gonna make with it. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. This is rayon. It's called Whatnot in the teal navy colorway. So I got 1.5 yards is what they had left. I wanted like 4 yards, but look at that. What am I gonna make with that? Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm even more excited about it now. Okay, so there's this one that I cannot get over. As Jessica would say, I'm obsessed. That is gorgeous. Then I got 2 different kinds of seersucker. I got the aloe and I got the pink. These are both for something for my little ones. I love seersucker. My mom made all kinds of stuff for me when I was little out of seersucker, and these are beautiful stripes. That's the aloe. Here's the pink. Oh, these are gonna be really cute. Now these are all, I ordered all wovens this time. I don't often order wovens, but I wanted some fabrics to inspire me. Oh, it's beautiful. The next one, it was an impulse buy. This is a quilting cotton, I believe. Let me double check. Yes. This is a 100% cotton. It is so soft. Oh my goodness. I could make a skirt out of this too. I got 2 yards of this, and it's just, look at those sewing machines. Ugh, can't. The colors are gorgeous. I don't know what I'm gonna make with this. Could be a bag, could be a skirt. I don't know, but it is stinking cute. It feels so nice. I love it when quilting cotton, or 100% cotton I should say, just feels amazing. Do you know what I mean? Like, you know you've got a really nice piece of fabric. It feels so good. It's soft, it's not rough. It's got a bit of drape to it. Ooh, I love it. And last but not least, I got something I've never bought before. A Japanese double gauze. And it's pastel, it's a printed plaid, and it's in pastels, obviously. I got 3 yards of it because I couldn't resist. So here's what I have. Oh, it's so nice and soft. It is lovely. Oh my goodness. So I'm wondering if I can make a skirt out of it, how it would look. Anyway, it's gorgeous. It's soft. It's lightweight. I don't know if you can tell. It's super lightweight. Great for summertime. You could make a top with this. Might even could make a skirt kind of thing. I'm thinking like Cassidy and her gathered skirt. This would be really cute for that, I think. I'm excited to see how they wash up as far as, because you know, when they're not washed straight from the store, they might have a little more stiffness to them than they otherwise would. But oh, I love this. This is super pretty. So I may be making a dress out of this. Gorgeous. So I say all that to say, I am so excited about this fabric. It is so much more beautiful in real life than even on the website. And I'm glad I bought a couple of things that I don't normally buy, this being at the top of the list of what something I've never used before, just to give me some experience with different kinds of fabric. These colors are so pretty. So we've got the Japanese double gauze, we've got this beautiful sewing machine quilting cotton, we've got a couple seersuckers that are going to be adorable, I'm thinking Cassidy, and then we have this. This is my favorite. I gotta figure out what to make with it. I just, ugh. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm so excited. I hope you're excited too. I hope you'll check out their website. Look at all of the fun fabrics that they've got. Especially if you're used to working with knits, check out their wovens. There's just so much on there. Or if you're used to working with wovens, check out their knits, check out their double gauze, check out all the things. You're not gonna be disappointed. This fabric is unbelievable. So anyway, yes, I'm so excited. I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing. Not something I normally do, but I'm really glad that I did it, and I'm even more happy that I purchased from StoneMountain and Daughter Fabrics. Anyway, bye.